30% of 60 is what percent of 60? First, let's evaluate 30% of 60. Now, how do we do that? Well, let's first turn 30% into a decimal, so that's easier to work with. We could do that by taking the number 30 and moving the decimal point 2 place values to the left. 30% is the same thing as 0.3, so 0.3 of 60 is just 60 times 0.3. That's going to be 18. So the new question is 18 is equal to what percent of 60? So we take 60 and we got to figure out what percentage of 60 18 is. We could do that by taking 18, putting it over 60 and multiplying it by 100, and that's going to be our answer. Let's simplify 18 over 60. That's going to be simplified to 6 over 20 times 100. So that's going to be 600 over 20, and then we solve for that. So 600 divided by 20, that's going to be 30. So it's going to be 30%. B is the answer.